Brakes. 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 Oh, dang. Oh, another day, another life. Welcome to another episode of PolaRIDES. It's rides. Yes. Finally. So finally, I fixed my boya mic, so it's good to go again. Dang it. I'm not using my mic for the last 3 days because I'm only doing a daily observation. So last night, when I fixed my mic, damn it, it doesn't have any power, so I had to fix it. So as you saw in my last video, I'm trying to fix my mic.
Looking, kicking, when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and when I kiss her. If you want time, never, just let me know.
Dang it, I don't have any mics, so I'm going to use the onboard mic of this GoPro. May sira dun sa mic, so I had to fix it later. But first I need to fill up gas. It is already blinking, man. Okay, after I fill up my gas, me and Smash Adventure are going to meet again for our Cavite ride. Well, sana matuloy na yung ride ngayon kasi putik na yun. Yung last time na Batangas namin na pornada, hindi natuloy. Emergency and siya, bumabagyo din. I had to use the onboard mic again, then just like my old vlogs. That's why my mic is f***ed up for almost a week. I've been doing a daily observation, so I don't know that the mic is f***ed up. I don't know. That is f***ed up. XCS 100. Yun natin yung akin ko. Yun natin yung akin. So I'm okay, I'm all... Oh, heck man. See? My daily struggles on my camera. Okay, all set, alright. All good. Where's Brian? Are you gonna... Saan ka? Paano ka na?
Oo, ito pa ako kilakit eh. Tingnan ko kung pwede ko yung laptop.
Para makapag-edit ka din.
Makapag-upload ako bukas. Kaya na pag ganun, di ako makakasama.
Kasama kita. Piprint ang picture, lalagay ko dito.
Ay, yung ano mo, dead cut mo.
Sige, sa'yo muna yan. Ikaw muna gumamit nun. Kasi maghihinang pa nga ako sa bahay mamaya eh. Ayun, buti nga dyan sa Hero 3 yan eh. Wait, mabilis eh. Ito medyo matagal eh. Kaya pagka ano, putya todo din ako. Para mga 5 seconds bago magano.
Ano pa pre? Ano na ako? Ha?
Ingat.
Thanks.
Ano to, preparation day natin to. Sana matuloy na.
Okay.
Sige, ingat. I'm going to cut my video here. I'm going to return. I'm going home first, so I'll be operating something. So it's operation time. Ta-da! So I'm already home. It's 9:45 in the... Damn! I'm going to operate mic. Sorry to say that J-Mac. I think something got removed from the parts. Wala yung hinang. Kung maririnig nyo, may tumutunog. Wait. That's why my mic is not working. So I'm going to fix it and try my best. I got the battery on, so here's the thing that something is freaking fell up on the motherboard of the mic. See, it is a small thing, small portion. When I put the battery on, so wait. See, when I put the battery on, it should be a green light here when I open. See, no power. Dang, I think this is a important thing. There's a specific spot here that is welded, so I'm going to re-weld it. So let's start this operation. Mic, so sound check 1 2, check 1 2, sound test. Hello there. So guys, thank you for watching, and this is not my typical blog, so like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go hit that red button down there so you can get updated to my latest video, and you may hit that also the bell sign so you can get my latest videos. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting this channel, and I'm sorry JPEG. I don't know what happened, but I had to fix the mic. So thank you for watching once again, and see you soon. See you on my next videos. Ciao.